Secureworks is hosting a cybersecurity literacy challenge this year. Since I work at Secureworks, I can't participate, but the team asked me what I would do if I could play along. Since I'm currently working on building out a Capture the Flag challenge for CypherCon, a security conference at the end of April, I thought I would share my progress so far. In Capture the Flag games, players get points by solving security challenges. To keep things interesting this year, I'm making a physical puzzle that's made up of all sorts of different blinky lights. Players will interact with the puzzle by completing security challenges across several different disciplines. I think gamification is a great way to encourage people to learn new skills and hone existing abilities, and games that blend digital and physical things together are a fantastic way to make abstract ideas feel more tangible. That said, there are hundreds of engaging ways to teach. To help promote cybersecurity literacy, Secureworks is giving away $30,000 in prizes to help encourage people to come up with creative ways to teach security concepts at home and at work. And we're accepting a wide range of submissions, so check out secureworks.devpost.com for the details. Make sure to get your submission in soon. The deadline is May 9th.